and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video we're going to be talking about a product and a brand almost all of us can relate to because we might have used their products at least once in our lifetime. So yes, today's product is going to be Lotus Herbals White Glow Matte Look All-in-One DD Cream. So yeah, these are the two of their shades that I'm going to be talking about in today's detailed review video. So this is a DD cream, very much similar to a BB and a CC cream. It says it has a matte look all-in-one and it also has a SPF 20. It says it is illuminating photo finish. So yeah, the packaging is really nice and classy. It comes in two shades. One is perfect for fair to medium, which is pink beige, and the second one is a darker shade which will go for medium to wheatish or slightly darker skin tones, and the shade name is natural beige. And the claims for both of the products are it evens out the skin tone, it has buildable coverage, illuminated skin all day long. So we'll see if the products gives all of their claims or not. It also says that the DD cream is a weightless formula that gives a naturally illuminated mattifying glow to your skin. This daily use formula hydrates and nourishes the skin while covering the imperfections and dark spots. So yes, we'll see how the product performs onto the skin, and we'll be also testing both of the shades using different blending techniques. So this is how the tube looks. It looks very classy and very functional, and the shade is written right over here. It retails for $375. So this is how the shade looks. It certainly is very creamy and it has a very nice yellow undertone. It is perfect for fair to medium skin tones. The darker shade also comes in a tube like this, which is similar to the previous shade. The shade name is again written at the back, and let's see how the shade and the texture is. So this shade is again very creamy, but it has a very strong orange undertone. So this is how the shades and the swatches look on the back of my hand, and these are both the shades that are available, and they both retail for rupees 375 each. So yeah, let's just dive into the tutorial of how it performs onto my skin. So I have nothing on my face right now except for the lip balm. So let's just moisturize our face. I'm using this Lotus Herbals White Glow Gel Creme with SPF of 25 and PA+++, which is a perfect day cream because it has SPF and it smells just amazing. Because no amount of SPF is too much SPF. Also, it's really hydrating and moisturizing. So after waiting for 10 minutes and letting the moisturizer absorb completely into the skin, I'll be applying the products onto my face. So I'll be using Pink Beige, which is a lighter shade on right side of my face, and Natural Beige, which is a darker shade on left side of my face, to see how well they perform and what is the color difference exactly. I will also be using different techniques. So I'll be using a damp beauty sponge on right side of my face and my fingers to blend the foundation, the DD cream, into the skin. Taking some of the product onto the beauty sponge directly and dabbing it onto my face. This looks really light for my skin, but I'm sure after blending it will look perfect. It's blending beautifully. It has quite good coverage, I must say. Also, don't forget your neck. I also want to apply a little bit more onto my under eyes to see if it covers any of my dark circles or not. I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the coverage, because like this is my bare face, just the moisturizer, and this is with the DD cream, and it looks pretty decent. Like it has given me a lot of shine and a healthy glow, and also like sheer coverage. It has covered a little bit of my acne marks on the forehead and the cheeks, and also some darkness around the eyes. Not a lot of coverage, but yes, a decent coverage for daily use. So yeah, this is how my skin looks. It surely is really illuminating and mattifying at the same time. I don't know how to explain this, but yes, it gives my skin a little bit of glow and my skin looks healthy. So yeah, I think this is my perfect shade. Also, this is yellow undertone, so I love foundations and anything in base makeup which is yellow in undertone, because it just brightens up your face. It has really performed amazingly with the Beauty Blender. So let's see how the darker shade performs onto my skin with my fingers. And I'll be applying the product directly with my finger. The texture is very creamy. It's not liquidy or runny. It's very creamy. This shade certainly has a lot of orange undertones, which I believe will be perfect for medium to wheatish or darker shades. I think it works better when you dab the product into the skin, like push it really well into the skin rather than just rubbing the product off, because I believe उसके बाद ना product थोड़ा ऐसे displace हो जाता है अपनी जगह से. So let me just quickly go and come back after doing my full face, like put the lipstick and liner and other things on, so that I can sit, relax and talk to you guys in detail about the product and how I really like it. So I'm done with my full face. I was really enjoying that luminous look, that glow from within kind of look. So I have just applied the compact powder around my eyes to set the creasing, and around my mouth a little bit, nowhere else. And I've also applied cream blush and a little bit of highlight. The product sat beautifully onto the skin and blended in really well. So to sum up, I would recommend this product for all skin types, as it has a very luminous, illuminating kind of look, and the product looks really hydrating and moisturizing. So it will suit the dry skin types, and it also have a very sheer matte finish. So it will suit oily skin types and normal skin types as well. So if you're looking for something which gives you a very natural finish and you don't want to apply makeup on daily basis or days where you don't want to apply makeup, so yeah, this product is a yay for me. And yes, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, you know what to do. Just like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon and share this video with your friends if you really enjoyed it. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.